Time first pick for Darling, second pick for Talon. Dire for Darling.
0-1 na guys, in favor of Talon nga. Okay, binan nila.
Pottle.
Which is yung binaban nila nung kailan. Tapos, okay, so ang gagawin nila dito ngayon, ibaba nila si Kotol, Mars, Timber, tapos first pickin nila yung SD, bibigyan nila yung Batrider. Pili ko ganun yung gustong gawin ni boss ko. Ayun yung purpose nila. Binan nila Kotol, Timber, Mars. Tapos first pick SD against Batrider is okay.
No,
hindi, binan nila si SD. Wait, what? First pickin nila si Timber. Nako, please lang, wag niyong ibibigay yung Timber kay WS. Diyos ko, day.
Mas solid ba yun kesa sa Mars niya, Mel?
Oo, tol. Mas sobrang sakit nun. Pagkalaban ko yan, nagmamakaawa na ako. Iban nyo yung Timber, please lang. Please lang, wag nyo ibibigay yung Timber kay WS. Ibigay nyo na yung Mars, okay lang. Trade na lang tayo. Pwede nilang iban siguro kahit ibang ano na lang. Pangontra kay Timber sa lane, ganun. Tapos first pick nila si Timber. Tapos bigay nila si Mars. Okay ba nila si Mars? First pick nila si Timber. Ganun lang.
Tama. Ban Mars, pick Timber. The best.
Oo. Please lang. Kuku, wag mong ibibigay si Timber, Kuku. Wait lang, iyan kasi telepathically ko si Kuku.
Kuku. Timber Mars pa ako eh.
Wag mong ibibigay yung Timber, parang awa mo na malulungkot lahat ng mga Pinoy. Ayun na, gago. Makikinig niya na yun.
Let's see. Ban to Tim, force to Mars.
Taas ba odds, Darling? Syempre. Ayan, ban Timber.
Okay lang, okay.
So what's your priority opener here, though? I'm going to go for
Leshrac
priority.
Leshrac lang, okay. Okay. Okay na yan, bigay mo na yung Mars. I think still mid pa din. Mid pa din yan, okay lang. Okay naman yung laro ni Yowie, bigyan nyo lang ng kalaro, please.
Let's find out.
Ito mga Pinoy, tinatawanan na naman yung Leshrac ni Yowie. I-explain ko sa inyo bakit kailangan nila mag-Leshrac, okay? Diba last series, nakita nyo yung laro ng Talon nung sila yung nagle-Leshrac? Sobrang sakit din, diba? So wala din counter kasi dun si Yowie na kailangan din talaga nilang i-prioritize. Ayun yung pinaka-main reason kaya nila pinipick yan ngayon. Naiintindihan ko yung point of view nila. Kailangan
Hindi siya confident mag-Mars, my friend.
Pick sila dito mga Tuskar or Tiny. Please lang. Doom offlane na siguro to.
It should be. I don't see them flexing this away from WS.
I'm
a bit surprised they prioritize that over Mars. Do they feel like Mars into Leshrac sucks? Is that something? Or do they feel like Doom gives them more here up against a playstyle?
Kung ako yung Leshrac, mas threat sa akin si Doom kasi.
Yeah,
kasi si Mars meron kang mga ways para ma-counter siya, di ba? Meron kang mga magkaka-BKB or Windbreaker. Eto si Doom, wala talaga eh.
It's true.
Hoodwink.
Hoodwink slides out as well.
Sakit naman ng lane na yan.
Yeah, Jokam, Hoodwink should be it. Steady setup. With potentially offlane shown, do you see anything good left, say, for Abat, maybe towards the end of this pick phase?
Siguro kahit casual is Ben lang. Kahit, kasi kung against Doom, wala ka masyadong carry talaga na is Ben lang eh. Yung mga... Tapos isi-synergy mo lang siya kay Leshrac.
Pwede Sven.
Down pa din ako mga Sven Mirana or kaya pwede rin mga Trent Medusa, ganun.
Wala Medusa na ban na.
No Medusa.
Wala na Medusa na kay Doom. Pili ko mga Sven Mirana, okay pa din ako dito. Tapos bigyan lang na synergy, tapos melee si Jing. Or kaya si Kuko. Sa later parts. Mahirap talaga mag-pick ng kaya against Doom eh. Hindi ko lang alam kung ano yung laning pag Sven sila.
Kahit post 5 annoying yung
punit ng hindi pwede mag-void guys against Doom. Mahirap ata.
Yeah, it's a hard one.
Pwede rin sila mag-bench +1. Alam ko yung isa sa mga annoying against Doom eh. Bench hindi ko alam kung ano.
Annoying.
Baka malugi sila sa lane. Hindi, pili ko Sven talaga.
Sven maganda. Yung Sven Mirana.
That's the best idea.
Sven +1 total. Sven +1.
Chen, hindi tol. Lahat ng bubuo yung item ni Chen, isang Doom lang.
Tapos, wala din palang Razor, no? AA what?
Okay.
AA is Ben?
Ben? Bro.
Ah,
AA
Brewmaster.
priority.
Okay na to, pinagnagan
I don't
yung
mind
hero ni
that.
Kuko.
Okay na to sa
Okay
akin
na
din.
to?
Mili na din si Kuko.
Oo.
Kailangan lang nilang ano yan din yung team fights nila eh. Okay na to sa akin.
Looks a lot better. I think the threat of AA is pretty nice as well down the line for Akashi's play.
Di sila makakapag-morph life stealer dahil sa nangyari
Yeah.
yan. Kasi yun yung mga pangontra kay bro, di ba? Open yung Slark pero hindi ko alam kung may pake si Slark kay AA. Pero pag AA ako,
Okay
feels good kalaban Slark.
Yeah.
Okay lang din. Tsaka si Brewmaster, di naman lugi din kay Slark.
Yun din. Hindi nga lang
Ano
siya
kaya hero ni
mag-pressure
Akashi
sobra.
dito na ano? Baka sila mag-Sven ngayon, no, tol? Ganda ng Sven
Baka.
sa kanila, no?
Sven nga.
Pang burst sa ano, Sven plus di ko alam kung ano yung post 5. Pwede naman nila i-pick ngayon yung mid ni Chuan, pero wala akong nakikitang available pa eh. Ano ba? Walang TA tsaka ano.
Slash.
Hindi, feel ko ano na to.
Zeus.
Hindi, hero na ni Akashi to, feel ko. Sven plus 1 to.
Okay. I don't mind that. I think the spend does work out. It's not something that cares for AA. Maybe annoyed by Brew, but you go early BKB anyway after like Mom, Echo Saber disassembly.
3 hits mo lang kasi yan eh, yung Bro ulti. Daedalus.
Just clear out. I think the lane's still pretty okay for Cuckoo, so it's not too bad.
Chill pa din.
laning-wise.
Chill pa din yan.
Ooh,
Life
Lifestealer
stealer?
instead.
life stealer pa
I was
din.
gonna
Life
actually
stealer.
ask that for like Darling. I felt like seeing the Doom Lifestealer laning into that doesn't sound like the most bad thing, but you've got a good vehicle in Leshrac. Talon picking it into AA, do you think, like, same question like the Slark, do you care too much about this for Lifestealer?
I think the way the Lifestealer works kasi ngayon, ina-abuse nila yung ulti with Ags. So, hindi siya sobrang nagmamatter as before. Annoying pa din yan kay Lifestealer, pero hindi siguro katulad ng before na ano. Kasi ngayon, kahit wala kang kakamping kasama, pwede ka mag-ulti sa kalaban eh, di ba?
Best na siya dun sa tatlong hero na Slark, LS morph eh. Parang si LS na pinaka na dahil sa Ags din.
LS. As sobrang pre-form niya din against Bro.
May SNY pa pala.
Ooh.
Na-buff yung
Ano
SNY.
to?
Bane
Bane
specialist
is
yan, si Ponyo. Palagi siya nagbe-bane.
Yeah, he is.
No.
It's an interesting pick.
I
I think the lane is good.
Pwede na sila mag-faceless void dito. I think this is a faceless void na. Kasi with the AA, tapos, Doom lang naman, kailangan mong i-dodge, pwede kang mag-linken.
Doom lang
Kailangan
yung
mong
problema
counterin
niya.
yung ano. Di sila pwede mag-Sven dito kasi si Sven hindi kaya si Lifestealer.
Yeah.
At any,
yeah, that's a rough
at any point
Kasi
sa
sobrang
game.
sakit ng laning.
Wala
That's
talaga
one thing,
magagawa tol. May iiyak ka dyan.
Dumudwing kasi, no? Parang hirap din kontrahin
Void.
yun. Void na.
Void, sige, nice one.
Nice one.
Okay na yan. At least nag-aano sila for the team fight.
Post 4 na makakalaro ni ni Leshrac pwede.
I don't mind naman another range forging na kahit mga casual lang. Rubik or di ko alam kasi ano hero ni Jing eh. Pwede rin talaga Tiny or Tuskar goods pa din eh. Kasi kahit range
I like the
yata, di naman sila mananalo sa lane eh, di ba? Mananalo ba sila?
Anamel?
Kahit range or melee, di sila mananalo sa lane sa
Hindi
sa
yata.
top lane.
Yeah.
Bane eh.
I think
Sino
it's a little
tatapat
bit slow.
dyan?
Feel ko Tiny or Tuskar kay Jing mas okay.
Tatapat
Tapos
lang kay
try
Bane,
niyang-
Monkey.
Try niya maging annoying, meron siyang combo kay AA. Tapos meron pang kalako si Yowie. Ban Ember. Tsaka si Goku Pak, ban niyo si Paktol.
Actually, kung magmamaki post 4 tong Darling, ang lakas ng nila. Gank nila sa bottom, pati yung laning sa taas. Kaya bugawin ni Monkey dalawang lane, dalawang hero. Yung normal na
Hindi
Monkey.
siya yung magko-courier snipe?
Hindi. Yung Monkey talaga. Lifestealer plus Bane,
Kasi
bubugbugin
hindi
niya
yata
yan.
nagaganon si Jing tol eh.
Yun lang.
Papasukin niyo na sa Raging Potato.
Si Monkey, sobrang
Dalawa
ganda ni
dyan, si
Monkey
Darling
dito.
naman.
Tapos may vision pa sa puno kay Hoodwink, ganun. MK na lilane, hindi yung pauso ni Shinki. Yung MK na lilane.
Ako feel ko
Sobrang
Tuskar
pre-farm
Tiny
yan.
sana pick nila. Tuskar Tiny. Tugs. Tapos ban lang nila si Pak muna. Kailangan yung iban si Pak Hoy.
NP, hindi siguro.
Pinati nila yung Rubik. Okay din kasi sa Rubik eh.
Lalabas sa loto.
Or hindi nila ibaban si Pac dahil yung last time na nagtapat sila, binugbog ni Yowie si
G1.
Chuen.
Chuan ng ano. Pero feel ko nagkamali lang si Chuan dun eh. Dapat hindi ganun yung matchup na yun eh.
Sky.
Feel ko kailangan talaga nila ibang sniper.
Sniper.
I
The
mean,
Pac sniper of Chuen.
makes sense kasi.
Pak.
Oh,
They take the
Ayun.
Pac, so it's Jing Lush.
Jinglish.
Sila okay.
Okay din. Against Bainailes. Okay nga. Okay din.
Yeah.
Wala silang
Okay,
pantigil
alright.
sa Diabolic. Okay din.
Post
Okay
for
din.
Leshrac, okay ba yan?
Okay yan. Okay yan.
Yeah.
Di kasi ako
Yeah.
pan yan eh, pero sige.
It's a
Hindi
hero.
siya kayang bugawin
Hero.
ng ano. Hindi makakapang 2v1 yung Bane.
Ah.
Kasi
So, anong hero ni
papaulan
Chuan
mo siya.
dito?
What does Chuen have?
Wala nang hero si Chuan, out-drop na kay boss ko. Napredict ni boss ko.
What
Okay
are
din
you
siguro
looking
ang
for?
inalay na lang nila
Kahit
yung Leshrac
late
kasi
game, oh.
against Doom tsaka Lifestealer.
Kung ka.
Kung ka.
Angka.
Very casual lang.
Hmm.
Ang ganda pa din ng hero ng Talon.
Maganda pa rin.
Guys, sige, sana na lang galingan. Good luck, good luck.
Galingan na lang.
Good luck
Yeah,
na naman nasabi ko, tangina.
Max Edic. Max Edic yan. Ang mangyari sa Lineage, mag-i-edic siya or third skill.
Yeah.
Pero the best
And he
edic
has
talaga
to.
para mabugaw niya yung ano. Yung
Yes,
Bane.
push. Yeah. Chase down Bane, push in tier 1 for free. I think the one thing Darling has, there is early activity for Abbott if he feels confident. Like every time Chrono's free, join in. Chrono, go back farm. You have damage with AA.
Yeah, meron
Rush.
siyang
You can
damage sa,
maximize
ano.
that.
Ang
Whereas
problem lang,
Lifesteal is gonna need so much time though.
sobrang hirap ng lane ng Void, feel ko.
That's
Tas,
true.
Hindi naman din mananalo to si Pake kung ka. Tapos,
Ah,
pwede bang matalo. Tapos yung top lane din, medyo disaster. I mean, ang pinaka panalo nila dito pag nag-scale sila ng maayos sa mid game.
ah.
Di mananalo to sa mid game tol, kahit anong mangyari sa mundo. Faceless George tsaka Pac against Lifestealer.
Pero may ano. Hindi, sige. Ganun na lang kasi darling tayo. Let's go!
Kaya kasi, kaya gustong matalo yung Darling para makuha sa next tournament.
Aha.
News flash.
Tangin na kasi ni Kungkay, may aga na, Imsos may Doom, may Nightmare.
Kaya nga talaga. Magano ka na lang.
Pero darling tayo! Darling! Darling!
Ino na muna mag-qualify. Oh, ad break muna bago maano yung stress oh.
Let's see how it goes. Should be an interesting game too. I think, actually, now that I think about it, I think the top lane is my biggest concern for Darling. Thinking about it now. AA and Faces Void is not a lane.
Yeah.
Sir,
So that
Not
is
a
the
lane at
main
all.
factor there.
once
No,
they hit one hero with the pag level 2 na yan si Hoodwink tsaka si Doom,
Wala na, hirap
patay
na.
ka na eh.
Hindi ka na pwede magkamali.
Pag pumalo ko pa isang beses, no, pwede ka na mamatay agad.
Kahit third skill lang ipalo mo, matay ka.
Oh, what is this chat?
Actually,
You
itong
love
lane na
Bigyan
to,
niyo na.
okay lang yung
Bigay
lane na
niya
to.
na pa kayo dito.
Kaso Doom
Siya
Hoodwink.
kasi, kadiri ka naman, isa kang simp. Sorry.
Ang ina ni Armin,
All
nakapag
good
Europe,
fun,
ang dami ng salita, ang dami ng word na ano. Alam?
Dami ko nung,
Dami na tuto.
Mm-hmm.
Dami na
Da-
tuto si
Yan
Armel.
da-
Simp.
Kaya itong mga Pinoy talaga eh, ang dami talaga natututunan dito sa stream na to eh, sobrang quality talaga eh. Let's
True.
go, let's go,
True,
let's
true,
go,
true.
let's go.
See, it
Let's
should be a fun
go,
game.
darling, let's go. Kaya mo yan, we. Step up tayo ngayon, we, ha. Ito na yun eh.
Bane Night Vision. Kakarasan ba? Aray.
Oy, mapapanish si Chuan. Punish si Chuan, first blood.
Okay,
First
that's
blood
that's
by
Nice
big.
one.
Chuan,
Yowe,
nice
nice one.
one.
Ayan ang gusto ko kay Yowe, kumanana. Nice one, we. Nice one, we. Bigyan nyo lang ng good start si Yowe. Kakanayin kayo niyan kahit ano mangyari.
That sets up for it. A little bit aggressive in the positioning there for Chuen. Good punish
Direct
on
Chuen
Darling.
naman
Sets a
ako.
good tone. Let's see how it works out. Of course, the mid matchup overall is pretty stale and should be easier for Konka just by virtue of Tidebringer. With first blood for Yoa should allow him to get that bottle much faster and should be happy. And Lane does have it up.
Hindi nakapokus yung ano to.
Ano?
Hindi, yung camera ko.
Ah,
Hindi naka-focus.
Nakapag-cut na ito.
Okay, chill lang si Yowie. We, ba? Kaya mo na yan, we.
Pag nakita ni Jing to, big courier snipe to. Dalawa, oh. Jing! Jing! Ay, sayang. Hindi niya nakikita. Nagpadala. Okay lang.
Ayun lang, napatay isa. Nice one. Sobrang win nila dito pag naibi nila yung matchup ng tatlong lane. As in, kahit mga 6-4 lang in favor of Talon, goods na ako dun.
Pwede na yan. Malaki na yan.
Pwede na yan. Basta wag lang sobrang destroy tapos mag-pit 7 sa top lane. Kasi at some point, makireach talaga nila yung timing nila dito eh. Basta hindi sila magbibilid eh.
yeah. Just have to ride through some of the weaker lanes. And we'll see how much talent can try to maximize here.
Na-outplay si
Some
Chuan kay
passive
Yowie,
influence.
Nice one, we. Let's fucking go. Si Yowie, pag binigyan mo yan ng good start, tol, bubuhatin ka niyan.
Oo.
He will. Rune control also really big for Yowie. Setting up to try to snipe 2.
You know?
Will snipe 2. Pretty big win for him.
Ayan na, may edict na. Pag max na yung level 2 edict, kawawa ata ang baba.
Yeah, the edict's
Pre-farm
gonna
si
be pretty
Bosco.
scary.
Pre-farm din si Abat, ah. Swan.
Done out pretty good initially here. A few edges
I like
here and
what
there, but
ano,
not too high.
everything I see right now, ah.
Looking solid. I think that level 3 timing you were talking about down bot is going to be big, Zhao. Jing is it's halfway through. It's going to be nice. I think the top lane is surprisingly not as rough. Abank's not getting run down, playing his positioning right. Just throwing back hits with a chilling touch.
The early okay pa tong void
theoretically,
lane na
it's
to.
not as easy to jump. Yeah. At what point do you feel like it goes down? Level 3 for
Level 3,
WS
4, or pag na out of position ka. Pag namatay ka ng isang beses, magsusunod-sunod.
That's fair.
As
O
a
yung mga
support.
mod easing.
Ayun
Bakit
na.
ano ba kailangan nyo sa mga mod? Ba't
Ayun
hinahanap
na.
nyo, tol?
Ayun ang sinasabi ko, pag nagkamali ka ng
Grenade
position,
explodes.
patay ka na.
Infernal Blade, and
mil,
that's
tol.
gonna be a kill for WS.
Ano yan?
Ay pala.
Paano inaano yung ano, emote mode?
Ay na.
Ako na maglalagay. Ay, ikaw na lang, Jet.
Sige, sige.
Okay, emote mode mo nga, sabi ng mga tao.
Ayan, okay na.
Thank you po.
Mid lane, still, all things considered, not too rough. Like, you are getting quite a fair bit of farm here for Yo. He's not being shoved away. Chuen does have the TPX available.
Bobo talaga ng kung
Also
kami
does
ng
get to
puta.
reset.
Babalik lang eh.
Right? Yeah.
Dayo, yun.
Pero, sobrang goods neto kay Yowie, tol, ah. Tingnan mo yung network ni Yowie, oh.
Oo, aga ng
Nice
bote
one.
niya eh. No?
Nice one, nice one.
Bote raid ban no? Sarap.
Bota raid ban, tsaka may gloves of face.
Let's go.
Kanay mo na, we. Eto na, nakinig na ako ni Yowie. Ibigay nyo lang hero kasi ni Yowie.
Abang does lose out in the bounty as well. Jokam snaps it away, but things considered probably not the most meaningful. Still have a decent lane for Abat, farming up nicely up against this Doom. When WS not able to do much to pressure him out. 1-1-1 build up on Abat. Bot lane as well is actually pretty fine for Akashi. Is finding that farm. Jing is just trying to maybe look for a couple of
Si Jing di
couriers
na
to sneak
nag-level
around in the
3.
back.
Sino yan, tol?
Not gonna be able to
Jing.
find this courier. Ponyo gets the nightmare, but it's about it.
Bosco. Bosco's the key.
Does keep the pull going. And we'll be able to get that free EXP. Nice quiet game so far. Chuen level 5 a little bit
Ang
earlier than
ganda ng
Yo's
lane
5.
ni Abat, tol.
Sobrang pre-farm niya, no? Chill lang siya.
Oo. Ba't
4
ganun?
minutes, ano, threads. Good shit na talaga yan, tol. Tapos, galing pa naman mag-faceless void niya ni Abat. Baka na hindi ni Abat to, tol. Tangina.
Tingnan ko yung network.
Let's go, third game. Let's go, third game
Stepping up
tayo.
so
Baka
far.
marami pang viewers, tsaka marami pang ad break. Pangya.
Pangya.
Abeng.
Ayun na.
That's the
Caught
goal.
out again. Infernal
Ay,
Blade
yung
on
sinabi
cooldown,
ko
Blood Grenade
kanina.
will slow it down, and another one for
Wala.
WS.
Pag
Wala
namatay ka
tayo,
ng isang beses, sunod-sunod na yan.
Wala ka talagang magagawa dyan pag iihi ka na,
Oo,
tol.
mag-iihi ka, tol. Ano ka dyan eh. Para kang ice cream na kine-claim.
Freebie, fortunately.
Pero hindi
At the
nakasalanan ni
very
Abing
least, he
yan.
died before the urn.
Mm.
At least he died before urn, so no
True,
charges
true.
for WS yet.
Ah, naka-earn pala siya, no?
Oo.
Yeah, he went urn on WS once that early tempo.
Pang ano lang, no?
Chase down.
Momentum na lang nila.
Mm. Alam nila
Yeah, I think
mamamatay
they-
ng mamamatay yung ano.
Oh yeah, they can feed off it. But at the same time, I feel like
Nice one.
they understand they can't just go all in on like greeting out, right? Like there's a Lash support. You know they're gonna be pushing in. You need a tool to punish. They've got Puck. It's had a good start. Good snipe in the courier.
Ayun na, si
Taking
ano.
away Akashi's phase boot. So really nice pickup there as well.
Okay, chillin lang.
Ganda ng linya, but
Kahit kay boss ko, okay na din ako sa gantong net worth. Pang
gago,
chill.
di ba mamatay si Abat dito? Ay, hindi. Level 4 lang si ano.
Abat yan eh. Baka to napsis yan. Tawagin pa to
Huli.
napsis yan kung mamamatay lang basta-basta.
May join ka.
Yaman ng itong LS, o gago. May papuntang
Yeah.
ano, yung wave ang dami. Tapos ganito
Sarap
na yung
nga
net
yan.
worth, no? Tangina ilan to? Mga 3-5? Sarap, no? Tangina.
3-5 nga yan.
Yeah, Akashi's been pretty good. Ponyo's provided spacing, so Jing's not able to do as much. Does have that level 2 edict, but not really able to get anything done with that just yet. You've got the early 6 on Iowa. Chuen at 7 has the haste rune still waiting. Should expire soon and get popped by closer to the 8th-minute rune. Very relaxing game. I think
Ah,
it's good for
Getting
both
level muna.
sides. I'm not sure who it's better for. Like, whose
Eh,
game status is better? In this
Better
current
for
era?
ano, Dire. Kasi
Kung-
sobrang
oo.
lamang nila ng laning yung Anatalan eh.
Kung laning
Tapos
kasi
hindi nila
talaga dapat-
na-punish.
Yes, sir. I mean, napapanish pa din nila in a way na ganito lang yung net worth ni ano. Kumbaga lamang pa din sila ng ano. Pero goods pa din.
Pwede na.
Na ano nila yung...
Oh, may chrono ah. Pwede tumipi yung ano dito. Kahit flash lang, patay ito.
Si boss ko pa ano na. Level 6. Pwede siya mag-TP mamaya kaya ano, Yowie. Saka papatay tong Kungka.
Ah,
Juan, just
Okay lang
being
yan, we.
cheeky.
Hmm.
Stealing some stacks with a
Aray!
haste.
Facebook corrosion coming for life stealer. Aray ko.
Yeah, the phase boots were stalled out earlier with a courier. Oh, they managed to
Okay.
deny off the arcane. Get the nightmare setup into the boat, but
Okay.
not gonna be able to follow up.
Okay lang yan, okay lang. Sana sobrang powerful talaga na itong word na to, Joe. Pinapakayokit mo din ba to pagka Radiant ka, ano,
Alin
Joe?
yung ward sa taas?
Ito si Ponyo.
Teka, hindi ko
Ito,
makita.
saan ba tawag dito kanan ni Yowie?
Ah, yan.
Oo.
Ano kasi yan eh.
So,
Triangle cliff.
Kung magamit... teka lang. May nangyayari. Okay, nata.
Kaya pala yung stock dito, tol. Uy,
Nice
ano yan?
stack.
Walang bot yan,
Nice
sige.
torrent.
Level 6 na si
Wala
boss
yan,
ko.
wala
Sige.
magagawa. Ano,
Clear out
sige.
some to stack.
Ulitin nyo yan.
Napapalo yung Torres sa baba.
Hindi, ito na talaga yung mangyayari, tol. Ganito talaga eh. Tingnan mo yung network bigla, oh. Ito yung magiging ano talaga ng laning. Pili ko very standard din ito. Buti nga naka-first blood pa si Yowie eh.
Ah.
Imagine kung hindi pa naka-first blood si Yowie, Diyos ko day.
Kawawi.
Yeah.
It's really crumbling at ano, at any point of the game.
True. Itong ward na to,
Yeah.
Mel, yung concern mo dito.
Ah.
Nakita mo yung Bane, di ba? Tinry nilang islip ghost ship, yung ano, pack.
Ah.
Kung ikaw yung support or mid, pwede mo nang inpuan yung isa't isa na baka nag-ward siya dito, ganun.
Ah.
Kasi itong
Mga
ward na
easy
to,
to ward
magagamit mo to one time lang.
Tapos reward lang din.
Madi-ward lang din talaga. Isang beses
Kaso
lang
may,
magagamit.
may mangyayari talagang ganyan eh pag nakalimutan mo, tol.
Ah,
Tapos
yun
grabe
lang.
yung
Kailangan hindi
information
mo
na
makalimutan.
nabibigay. Oo, hindi ba?
Kaso nakalimutan ni Jing.
Saka, ayun oh, tingnan mo, masusulit na
Kuku
2
has the
minutes na
angle.
lang, tol, oh.
Yung sulit na yan.
Jokan, not safe.
Uy,
Kuku
top lane ha, doon si
does
boss
get
ko.
split off.
Okay.
Got
May
the
damage naman
stun
siguro
onto
sila.
WS.
Meron.
Wala
They
silang
don't need
damage.
the Chrono. Doom is already out. WS is forcing it out in the flank.
Okay.
Yoe will clean up
Uy,
with
naku po,
Jokan.
boy pa.
Okay, patabi ako napatay si
WS is
Jocom tapos walang
fine.
doom.
Does have the boat.
Pwede silang tumayin na round, guys. May
May
chrono
chrono.
si, ano.
Chrono. Trying to
naman,
dance
okay
in
na
and
yan,
out.
okay na
Will
yan, okay na yan.
isolate. Should have
Ayun na.
enough to melt through WS. Does get the Infernal
Okay,
Blade. Will
nice
fall.
one. Nice one.
Good spacing from Darling.
Good shit,
Oh.
good shit.
Uy,
Torrent
gagawin
onto
siya, no?
2. Chuen. No boat still.
Oh!
Did pop it earlier. Might be able to find
Okay
Abin
na
and
eh.
Trade.
Okay na yan, okay na yan.
Much better for Darling.
Nice one!
Nice
Nice
one!
Kasi nabasag yung mid, yung bottom by the way.
Wala. Mahirap talaga.
W mo
Yeah.
Mel, W mo Mel.
W. Wala tol, binayok si boss ko.
Ano boy yun?
Nga nga eh. Pero wala tayong magagawa. Nandiyan na yung buhay natin eh. Basta si Owi naman kakanana dito ngayong game tol. Napansin ko. Si boss ko naman magkakaroon na ng impact yan eh. Kasi di mo naman kailangan ng network para magka-impact. Coach siya ni boss ko eh. Utak lang daw.
Ba't ba naka-mute only chat ka?
Yung mga viewers kasi nag-ano.
Nice
Nang
point.
i-spoil daw yung mga tao tol. Oo.
Hindi, wag mo nang basahin. Okay na yan. Okay, inis
Scoop.
puro emoticon eh.
Surrounded. X boat. Not gonna take long.
Mhm.
It's a lot of space. all
Wala
things
kayong
considered.
damage dyan hoy. Kill lang.
Akashi. Diving
Ano,
tier
crumbling
1.
lahat namamatay. Ano to?
Wants Jing.
Ang lungkot
Jokem,
ng buhay
Melton.
ni Abeng.
Ano, patay yun to?
Find a Beng. Not gonna find Jing.
Mabutan din si Jing tol.
Naku po.
Takbo.
Oh, they're still chasing. Okay. Centaur infested.
Uy, nice
Sharpshooter
one.
does
Ooh.
miss. Nice little
Grabe.
sidestep on Jing.
Tama
He's
na,
wasting
grabe
some
yung ano.
time. That's a lot of space Jing's making at the very least. Akashi's wasting time. In the top jungle, Yoe, X mark. Slippery little puck, hard to pin down. Gets a good read.
Nice one.
Chuen still on the chase. Can he collapse
Oh,
here?
no.
Oh, the bushback
no.
connects and
The grip.
the grip is there from Ponyo. 6-3 talent.
Kailangan mag-lean ni Abeng. Kung di siya mag-lean, 14 minutes pa yung ano nito. Level 6.
Find that
Buti
so.
pa si Gabi, chilling na lang. Congrats, Gab.
Nalulungkot na ako dito.
Ito, ganyan ka puro kakumpara eh, no? Para kang mga Pinoy din. Kumpara ka ng
yun.
kumpara.
Hindi
Ang galing yung
napansin ko
masuot
kay...
yung pagiging pagkukumpara ng mga tao at mga sitwasyon.
Ayan,
Mga utak
ayan.
lang kasi ang mga yan eh.
Kaya nga,
Pinagalitan.
Laging iniisip, laging may pinagkukumparan eh. Gago pagka
Oo
lagi
nga.
kayo nagkukumparan, hindi kayo mag-i-improve sa buhay
kaya
niyo.
nga. Karera ba ang buhay? Hindi karera ang
Ayan,
buhay.
ayan.
Yeah.
May
Karera ba ang
sariling face ang karir.
Ayan, ayan. Nahabol pa, Gab. Nahabol pa.
Ganda na sana,
Nahabol
may
pa.
space lang. Okay na yun.
Okay lang, nahabol, nahabol.
Oo. Maganda naman yung purpose eh. Nice one, Gab.
Orchid timing up for Chuen.
Ayan na, level 6 na
Smoke
si Abeng.
play. Lines are on bot. Bot does have Chrono to back out. He's on the high ground. so-
Try natin makabawi na lang. Pagka nagka-vessel naman si boss ko dito, magkaka-damage sila eh. Meron pa din silang AA tsaka vessel. Hindi
Yeah,
problema
they've got
yun.
the blast.
Tank heroes na
Grabe
yan.
makamoy talaga si Abat, oh.
Galingan niya, ba't no? Hindi siya
Oo.
napipitas basta-basta, no?
Ilang
Kung
beses
na
na yan.
player to.
Palo nga ngayon yan, tol. Si Abat.
Smoke.
Mahirap smoke din.
Hindi na mamatay basta-basta ang buta pang gago eh.
You got the pings on the right side. If they can collapse in the right way. Chuen already on the way back. Oh, they got baited by the illusion.
Kakaroon ng emotion.
Mo naman.
Ang dami nila dun, oh. 5 sila dun,
Tama
tol.
na, Kaya nga eh.
Hindi, okay lang yan, okay lang yan.
Ay-ay-ya!
Wala nangyayari maganda sa map nila, tol.
Oh, tol,
Opo.
sobrang disaster na ito. At least sana man
Scan
lang.
does spot them as well. Chuen gets the invis.
Okay,
Chuen
mamatay
stuck
siya,
in the middle.
mamatay siya. Nice.
I'll be able to find this one. The blast is there as well.
Okay.
Maybe be able to find Jing in exchange.
Oh, walang ano yan. Walang
Isolating
walang papasukan,
for Life
walang
Sealer.
papasukan.
No infest target. Chain stun's there. Infest
Oh,
is still
Yoe.
coming out. Doom out onto Yoe.
Oh my
They're gonna be
God.
able to trade. Chrono is popped onto Ponyo. They don't manage to find that either.
Shit,
Gonna
may
keep
grip pa.
chasing Bosku. Doesn't have that split. Already popped it earlier.
Tangin
Getting
nga
chased.
ka-
Push back again.
Putang ina mo
Basta
siya.
pa-
Akashi with 2.
Ba't ka naman lumabas sa panty, Chuck?
Vic.
Oh!
Infernal Blade barely doesn't connect.
Ang hihina
Cut
na
the
ako tol.
losses.
Hihina din ako.
9k
Tangin.
lead for
Di ba
Talon.
kung nakita ko din kasi yung laro ng talo na against Geekbomb tol, hindi mo talaga ano. Nung nakita ko, ang ganda ng gising nila tol.
Doon pa rin nagpatalo kami na lang tumapat dyan.
O tol, Kayo na, tangina mo talaga, Gabi.
Zero sa amin sa scrim yan eh.
Hindi talaga kayo ano nito. Hindi kasi kayo, hindi kayo gumagamit ng emotion. Itong Darling may mga emotion.
At kasi sinabi nyo ko na hindi nyo kaya kinabukasan, di ba? Hindi nyo
Kaya nga
sinabi. Malay ba namin ganyan
Hindi
lalaruin
din
nyo?
kasi siguro nila alam na mamamatay si Yowie sa Roshan.
Okay.
Tapos, hindi pa kasi, putang ina. Break nga muna, na-stress ako.
Kaya nga, tangina, pindutin mo yung green button.
Nakakapikon yung ganto tol, tuloy-tuloy yung pag-angat nung...
Nakakapikon nga, nakakapikon.
Okay, I think the one thing for Darling different in this game is the warding's also really passive. They can't cross the river. Jing, find him again, Orchid, and it's gonna be a simple pick-off. There's a way of Chuan. They
Nice
find
one,
something in
good
the
trade.
back. Okay, they take Jokam. Nice.
Okay.
Something for
Putang-
Darling.
Na, ba't nag-add sa akin? Ano naman?
Pinapindot mo, Gab. Pinapindot mo.
Sabi mo kasi,
Pinapindot mo.
Pinapindot mo.
Eh di ba ano dyan? Ano ka? Talon ka dyan?
Yes, sir. Apo.
Pinaplastikan lang niya si Armel.
Neutral naman sa
Ah,
casting.
neutral sa
Video
casting.
na natin kasi simula na ng first dito, hindi na nanalo yung Darling, guys.
Joke lang yun
Grabe.
dyan, ha?
Ganyan kasi ugali ng mga Pinoy, nag-aanad na naman si Sisi. Pinapakita ko lang yung ugali nyo kung gaano nakakayakita ha, mga talonggis na Pinoy.
Aroy! Ouch! Proud ka bang Pinoy ka dyan?
Of course. Nasuot ko ang flag. Nagabarong ako sa mga live ha.
Yun.
Sa KL, sa Genting, sa Singapore, sa Malaysia.
Ah, nakabarong ka pala talaga
Ako.
doon?
Oh, naka-office barong. Tapos sa
Eh.
TI,
Hindi ka
full
pa proud.
barong.
Kami hindi.
Anong tiya yung pumunta kayo sa Singapore?
Sa Singapore. Oh, WS.
Spanish.
There's a pick-up.
Oo!
That's
Nice
what you're
one.
looking for.
Patay ba?
Get the follow-up
Patayan,
damage.
patayan, Doy.
Should be enough.
Tangina, may
Get
dalang
me
perch,
going.
Pwede
tol.
pa mag 1 by 1 yan ha,
Made
pwede
a
pa mag
save.
1 by 1 yan.
Nice one.
Sharp here. Orchid does
Okay.
block Kuku. Good block by Jing. So no follow-up. There you go. Big pick-up.
Okay, shoutout kay, thank you kay Az.
Bawang ng build ni Kukudat na gano'n na lang siya, earn Radiance tol.
Baka feel niya wala silang damage, pero baka meron naman eh, no? Kahit walang beso.
Si Mati kasing pupunta, ay kukuha ng Perchidom eh. Pag against bro.
Ah, okay. So matatanggal lang din yung vessel niya.
Oo, sayang yung item.
Ah. Sige,
Okay,
kaya
so-
pa yan, kaya pa yan.
What do we look for now? What's the next thing we're looking for from Darling? Huh?
Feel ko,
Any item-wise?
I think, any team fight na pwede silang mag-punish, gagawin nila eh. Ayun, mga gantong team fight oh, ayun oh. I-punish lang nila
True.
3-2-1. Oo.
Up in
Yan,
front, the
nice
split
one.
instantly out. They've got Blast doesn't connect, but
Blast
good
doesn't
as it
connect?
is.
Okay,
They should
1 by
still
1
be able to
yan.
find this good pull back by Kuku.
1 by 1 day po yan
Yun?
guys, pagka kumulit yung mga yan.
Nice one, nice one.
Nice
Isolate
one.
Ponyo as well.
Okay.
Green foil onto
tayo
one,
mag-overextend,
Jokam hanging the
huwag
side.
tayo
They do manage to grab
mag-overextend.
the grip onto Yoe.
Oh no!
Akashi does manage to jump in and they will kill off Yoe. Ponyo
Akashi!
falls, big streak away, but Jing in the middle of nowhere. The Doom's out
Oh,
inside as well onto Kuku.
Oh!
The chase is there.
Kakapiko
What
naman.
looked like a decent start still ends up being a 2-for-3 trade.
Guys, pag nakita nyo si Akashi sa Pinas, batukan nyo na lang.
Pwede ba natin pabugbog yan?
Gago.
Parang ng mga ano, hindi naman Pinoy yung mga kasama mo
Grabe
kasi ito sinusuportahan mo.
Nakakapikon
Grabe
talaga.
naman.
Ganyan, gago.
Nakakapikon yung talon.
Tangin ng
Hindi pa
talon
binigay si
yan.
Darling.
Diyan expert may kasalanan na itong lahat eh.
Kaya nga.
Oh, ako pa. Grabe naman. Yan. Punish on
Punish
Ponyo
lang.
again.
Kailangan talaga nila mag-punish any way they can.
Any opening.
Hindi nila pwedeng mag-farm lang din. Kailangan nila
There's still a late
magamit.
timing for Darling, right? Like there's still the threat of Chrono, there's damage inside, there's the Ice Blast setup. There's still a lot, so I don't
Sobrang
think...
daming potential nito para makambak pa din tong game na to.
Oo.
Yeah,
Pag umabot
and,
na 35 minutes, kayang-kaya nila yung game.
and for Talon, it's a slow push. Like even with this lead, they're not making moves onto tier 2s. They can't think about Roshan just yet. So any bigger meta objectives aren't quite lining up. I think Darling's happy as long as these objectives stand till that timer you guys were talking about. It's still okay. Siege onto tier 1. Nice and steady. Max out Edict.
Patag
Talon
lang
not
muna.
gonna fight.
Okay, Midas na si boss ko. Kaya pa yan, boss ko.
Midas.
O, suotin mo na yung ano mo. Okay.
Nice one.
Okay, but naka-Midas naman si Abat tol eh. Tapos shields na din si Yowie. Makaka-comeback to, nakakamdaman ko.
Mm-hmm. They know the plan. They know it's a slower game by draft, so just play it to the slower point. Just cut their losses, and they're doing a fine job of that. Again, Talon's not capitalizing. No siege, no Roche. Not really finding big fight opportunities. They're lining up a bit bot though. Ponyo finds Jing. Sneaky ward in the low ground, and a simple pick off here.
Isa to sa mga magagaling na boss 5 kasabayan ni Janwell.
Oo.
Sina?
Ponyo.
Sige,
Tinuruan
sige.
kasi ni Joe yan, si Ponyo.
Legit ba?
Oh, mid lane.
Upol mo
Ah,
nga
Ben?
si Joe.
Sharpshooter gone.
Tinuruan. Di ko nga friend sa Steam yan.
Ang nagbe-bridge sila sa map ha.
Kabibitas tayo isa-isa guys ha. Magaling din talaga yung Talon sa map. Solid nga talaga yung gantong-ganto yung performance nila sa gate nun eh. Sobrang clean.
Yeah, it was steady.
Tama kayo, di nyo ako
Good
nakakita.
scan. A bot will back off. The ward is really the big one. I think some of the wards of Talon now are looking good. Like the sneaky ward up top as well. Outside the jungle top. Pretty nice. This ward already paid for itself from Ponyo.
This is the Yowie. Ayun na oh. Skill lang tayo ng skill we. Okay lang yan we.
Yes.
Sobrang
Blink up.
yaman ni Yowie ng game 1 ah. Hindi lang
Hmm?
sila gumogo.
Kaya nga yung early nga.
Manila.
Sa ano siya nagpo-pull tol. Sa going into mid game siya nagpo-pull si Yowie. Like mga 30 to 40 minutes. Tapos hindi na siya nagkaka-item afterwards.
Wala din kasi popurant sa game 1 ah.
Kaya nga, ayun nga yung ano, kaya sabi ko, ang hirap din talaga mag-Dota. Kaya sabi ko, yung adjustment, kailangan nila enable si Yowie.
First shot.
Ayun na,
Happening
dito
to
na ata
Talon.
makakabawi.
Darling already in the smoke.
Ay, hindi. Hindi natuloy ang plano.
Fight nila. Fight ba nila tong Roshan? Kaya ba to?
Sisilip si
Tuloy.
boss ko.
Mukhang kailangan natin
No, no.
mag-farm tol ah.
Game na lang yun oh, push mid top.
Oo, manta na
Easy
lang
mid
tayo.
Easy mid tower na yun eh.
Pamanta na lang tayo, pamanta tayo guys, pamanta tayo.
Sayang,
Mahirap
napush na sana
talaga
ni Les yung
lumaban
mid,
na
no?
yan. Saka talaga ni
Oo,
Gina, naka-AFK na naman, kaya nababatid si Scam dito eh.
Kusog na dot yung mid oh. Naka-farm nila yung triangle.
Diyos ko, magagang pa si Abat, putang ano yung words, ang lalim.
Boy yung kasi
Yeah,
na,
that's
so
a deep ward.
full ng tilted dyan. Sino tilted dyan?
Hindi ko na lang
Oh!
tol.
Instantly doomed. A bot gone.
Kasi dot
Ward
nasa
king.
late sila nung time na yun.
Tapos may mapipitas pa ngayon dito.
Makakapik ko.
Nandito darling ngayon, tol.
Kaya nga.
Eh sa either hindi to darling o sobrang galing lang din talaga ng Talon.
Yung
Hindi
mga
natin
tilted
pwede-
na yan, mga tilted.
Oh. Orchid out.
Patay ba to?
X mark vote.
Mamatay ba si
Chuan?
boss ko? Patay
Ice
ata
Blast
si
is
Chuan
coming
ah.
in.
Iba lang.
Ayan.
They have some punish. Oh, the split does come in.
Lang.
Force out the split.
Oh, no.
Sharpshooter not going to connect. And into the backside, actually didn't connect, but they find Jing.
Habol na naman yung
Rip up
dalawang...
Abeng as well. And the TP away. Infernal Blade? Huh?
Ha?
Did he miss?
Ah, may ano,
Does he have
may
the,
Ghost
yeah, he
Mare.
has the
Gossamer.
quick- the Gossamer, yeah. Alright,
Sabay-sabay
saved by
naga?
the- Ha?
Ha? Okay lang yan, okay lang yan. Humihinga pa din naman tayo eto yung gusto ko kay Yowie, tuloy-tuloy na yung pag-scaling niya. Tsaka siya ba't manta lang kailangan nito kakanana to tol.
Ang ganda nga ng word ni Ponyo dito, no? Since alam niyang di lalaban na yung Dire, in advance na lang niya yung word.
Saan? Atong nasa ko nasa si Abat ngayon? Ganda
Sabi, hindi
nga
na
pa, ganda
lalaban
ng words, ang ganda ng galing ng mga ano na itong mga to. Mga nag-iisip sila ng tama tol.
Yeah. I think it's funny though, because I feel like Darling's wards were really good as well, especially yesterday.
Yeah.
Like, their warding was really good yesterday. That's something I kept talking about. But I think it's also down to the fact that they couldn't cross the river this game. Like, for the
Mas
first
mahirap
15
lang talaga
minutes, they
ngayon.
could not cross.
Oo. Walang angle. Di sila
Yeah.
pwede mag-play aggressive.
Yung legit ba yan? Ano, vessel o...
Octarine,
Octa rin.
gagawin niya. Di natin alam. Dasal na lang sana, legit, tanga na. Kailangan ng Darling ngayon lahat ng ano natin, guys.
Ang dami
Health
dyan.
natin. Oo. Every positive reinforcement that we can give. Let's
Tama.
just give it to them.
Uy, hype tayo, Jet. Energy, Jet.
Energy ball, Jet.
Ito mga to lahat
Mga
nakikinig lang eh. Walang
manager pa
binibigay
mo,
ng mga ano eh.
Kabado
Bigay
na
ko
ang
kayo
lahat,
ng-
tol.
Baka
Jet.
nakikinig din nila yan,
Ano
tanga.
ba yan?
Nag-left side sila kanina, mga 6k golded lang yan, no? Dami na
Oo, kung
mapapan.
nabasag lang nila yung tower. Kasi nangyari, hindi nila nabasag yung mid tower, kaya sila na-punish dito. Sa side na to.
Tapos
kasi kung
mapopers
nabasag
pumunta
nila yun,
din yung
dito sa-
talon sa left side.
Mm. Di ba mapipita si Abat?
Oo.
Yaman mo na.
Si Jing tol, si Jing parang mache-check up siya.
Na-check up yan. Yaman mo na. Okay lang yan, Jing.
Makita ba niya? Press view ko nga siya. Hindi nakakita
Yeah,
ni
okay
ano
lang.
tol.
Okay lang ata point na yan, mamatay yung dalawang support, tol.
Nakita na.
Okay na yan.
Huli ka, Jing.
Ayun, may mga
lahat ng
gumamit
DP,
ng
oh.
DP.
Find him. Tower will still fall in the back.
Okay na yan, okay na yan.
Yaman mo na.
Yan talaga. Gagawin natin.
Opens the map a bit at the least.
Shab lang ng shab ng
That's
wave,
based
guys.
on-
Maganda yun
They
ha,
are
nakapag-farm
going
sa baba
to
si
the
ano,
Olympics.
Abat.
Yung
Wala
map nila
namang
hindi...
pantig mamaya sa LS eh, no? Isang crowd
Kaya
lang
nga.
yan.
Kung scaling nga lang talaga, kakanato si... Okay naman yung item progression ni Yowie tsaka ni Abato.
Yowie blinked in. Wants Jokam. They can't get the blast off with the Orchid. He managed to get the X pull back as well. Should be able to find Jokam. Blast does come in to connect onto Jokam in the end. Will be fine. Yowie does get the spacing to run off. Blink in a few. Should be good. 20 to 9. Again, all things considered, you're farming.
Nakabahan ako.
Naku po.
Naku po.
Nagaltab ba yata?
Tangina ni
Ano
Jing.
yun?
Titingnan na tayong words, Jing. 15 minutes delay to Jing.
Oh, Jing.
Wala na yung words na yan pagka
Wala na
sumilip
yan.
ka. Tatay tulo ko. Hindi tama to.
Kaya yan, tol.
Okay. Nagbibigay na
Ako
din
na
ako ng
pataas
negative energy.
Kaya nga,
Mel pa nga dyan, Mel ha?
I'm gonna try to control myself.
Okay.
gusto ko sa'yo. Control mo self mo.
Okay. Thank you.
Sana pati pagkain.
Ay!
Whoa. Whoa.
Down na nga yung tao. You're kicking the man while he's down. It's not good.
Uy.
Shisha bot.
Let's see what other item timings are coming up. Akashi about 1-2 away, 1-1 away from Ags. Chuen going for side of ice, has Ags flying out. Those double Lincolns still gonna be massive here. When Starling
Oh,
finds
Oh my
Hot spot.
god.
does have TP
Paano siya
that-
nalaman dito? Legit ba to? Ah, dito? Okay.
Yeah,
Ah,
we got
ano
that
yung
forward ward.
Hindi niya kinuha yun, Doy? Wala pa.
Hindi, na ano lang siya. Tumalon lang siya. Galing lang din nito. Naka-ready dun.
Galing dun.
The siege begins. All outer towers gone. Darling.
Ayun na
They've got hold. They've got shard on Jing at least.
Thank you
Respawn
kay
is
Siren.
for a
Thank you.
bot.
Sab.
Hindi pa malilibre sa Didi. Bad trip.
Oh, Akashi in the
walang-
middle. It just
Uy.
expired.
Oh my god.
Force staff out.
Ganda naman ng slip.
Ay!
Hell,
Saan nice try.
right on the expiring.
Na-slip gago. Hindi tumama ng ibang damage. Na-dodge, tol.
Okay lang.
Yeah, that's crazy, Ponyo.
Tang
Right
ina.
at the right time.
Parang yung nightmare ni Joe sa against
Ayun
T1.
hindi tumama yung ibang damage, oh. Yung blast damage. Grabe talaga.
Grabe talaga mga Bane player.
Galing na itong mga
Flip lang ginagawa, parang magaling.
Oo, wag mo na kami trash talkin. Yun na lang ang alam namin gawin eh.
Yaman na.
Di try nyo magpatulog ng bata.
Uy.
Wag muna. Wag muna. Wag muna.
Si Jao, feeling may ano.
Ano? Sige, sabihin mo. Alam ko address mo. Hingin na mo ah.
Sorry.
Partida, wala pa sa abat nun, ha?
Kaya nga eh. Muntik na mamatay. Wala.
Sige,
Siguro
mamaya
yung next AG, siguro wag lang mabigay.
Kaso mahirap pa kasi sila lumaban, tol. Sa labas.
Kaya nila yan! Makapag-initiate lang kay ano. Hindi, kay patayin agad nila si Doom or si Lifestealer or kaya si Kunkka. Isa lang yan, tol. Pwede na yan.
Just need to find that angle.
Gamitan
About
lang nila
back.
all in.
Smoke Chrono
Ayun,
ready.
Na.
Gagawin nila, tol. Ayun, gagawin na nila.
See if they find it. Who can they find first?
lang natin
Kashi's
yung
right in
ano.
firing line.
Ano si Akashi? O Akashi, mag-isa si Akashi guys ha.
Kashi would be big. They've got the ward to protect. Wards
Oh,
drop
hindi
as
nila
well.
nakita. Kita nila si Chuan. Chuan kita nila.
Chuan's gonna go down.
WS tol.
Vision.
Chuan's
No
gonna fall.
BKB. Chuan. Chrono
Nice one.
down as well.
Okay.
Everything but the kitchen sink. And they'll find a
Sana
big one.
mamatay din si Jokam. Wala na. Okay lang. Yaman na. Okay na yun. Punish lang. Tapos back to
Ayun,
farm
no.
tayo ulit guys.
With Corona ulit, with Corona.
Ano lang. Farm lang
Back
ha.
build up. Some
Paba
timings
lang
coming
bro,
out now.
kapat, paba lang.
Nakakahabol na
Okay
sila
lang
sa
sila.
network ha.
Kailan na lang?
Hindi yung
Maganda
mga
naman
core
talaga
lang.
yung scaling heroes nila tol. Itong dalawa oh. Basta ganito. Let's just keep up the network. Abat and Yowie. You guys got this.
Tama.
Hindi nila
Farming
siguro
away.
afford ni Abat mamatay pa ng isang beses kay Doom.
Yun,
Ay,
kala ko
mamatay
si
boss ko.
rin, buti naman
Nakita si
nag-region.
boss ko. Kaya mo na, patay
Oh.
na si boss ko talaga.
Yeah,
Okay
get
lang
the
yan.
Doom off as well.
At least hindi kay Abat nagamit.
Yeah.
Pag kasi ganyan
Could've been
kalaban,
worse.
huwag ka na mag-wind. Laging purple na lang.
Ano ba yung purple?
Status
Status
resistance.
Oo nga no. Yaman na. Huwag mo na pagalitan yung kuya mo.
Sorry.
Let's see. What else? Lincoln's still several parts away for Abat. Yowie
Kumakana na
just
si
a recipe
Yowie oh.
away.
Sana matalo-talon. Tangina nyo, talon.
Yun, pang.
Gago nasaktan si Jan.
Sorry dyan.
Okay lang. You can say what you want. It's fine. It's good.
Huwag mo ako susumo kay Dohud.
Galit pa man din sa
Baka
iyo.
naganood si
Ikaw
Duhon.
kasi.
Ayan.
Hindi, best friend ko yun si Dohud.
Ah, Jink.
Okay lang yan, Jing.
Infest and...
Kinain ni, tol? Ni Akashi si Jing.
Sinakyan tol. Walang iya.
Mukhang dangin din kasi si Jing eh.
Ya! Putang ina mo! Mukhang donkey daw.
Bisaya Supremacy si Akashi ngayon, no?
Oo, tol. Si
Nagtatalo
Akashi
lahat
yung
ng
number
Bisaya
one.
to, eh.
Ito pala ang The Chosen by.
Oo. Wala ko si
Chosen by.
Yowie.
Wala, hindi na tol. Nabago na agad yung meta. Yung last talk naman si Yowie. So ngayon si Akashi na ulit. Nalipat na agad. Mabilis kasi napapasa yung Takona dun eh.
Oo.
Hindi si Akashi din na-qualify last tournament.
Okay.
Hindi ba?
Gonna be able to
Oh,
find him.
Solo kill yun, ah.
looking to
Okay,
run out.
nice one, we.
600 gold.
Oh,
Yun.
they got the infest.
Sinakyan oh, sinakyan oh.
A lot of damage. Should still be able to run away.
Bakit magano si Yowie
Oh,
dyan?
Ba't
doesn't
nawala
mean
yung
to
orb?
blink away.
Ang
Ano
ikli, ang ikli.
Saka pupunta.
Dahil sa
Still
base.
has blinks. Oh, blinks back.
Oo nga, dahil
X
sa Bane.
does connect.
Oh
And
my
the X
god.
Oh, the grip
Uy.
is short.
Boy
That
ba?
was an
Yowie
instant
show.
cancel. Yowie still alive. Damage.
Yowie show.
Yowie show!
Yowie show!
Yowie show!
Oh!
Again. Link
Oh!
is cleaning up.
Kaya yun lang, na-slip na. Oh!
Instantly popped again, and
Ay,
they
si
will
Abat pala
finally
namatay.
take care of him. Yeah,
Ay, namatay nga.
Abat.
Namatay
Ang
siya
ina
ba?
naman, namatay pa yung
Balik ko
dalawa
nga.
na solo.
Space na nga yun eh.
Balik ko nga, balik ko nga.
W's talaga kumaka na,
Oh,
doy.
nadum.
Nadum siya, doy. Ano ba? Ano niya?
Gago pa parating na naman din yung Lincoln ni Abat oh. Sayang.
Ano mo, Gis?
Sabi.
Oo nga no, bago siya
Pagdating
mamatay.
na, bago mamatay, napakasakit naman yan.
Ano, grabe na yung space na binigay ni Yowie dun oh.
Ayaw.
Yeah, now the high ground's open. Chrono's back in the respawn. Only half a minute. 4 to 5 to buy time.
Sayang
No
naman yan,
pre-cut
Wi.
here.
Matatapatan mo sana yung pack-highlights ko.
Parang hindi pa rin, Gab.
Down to the high. They get the split off. Jing stuck in the middle.
Lotus na lang
Get some
Jing
work
o
done
kaya
with the split.
wag ka na mag-grips.
Jing gone. And high ground siege begins in earnest. Few more seconds until Abat respawns though with a chrono.
BKB.
Some play here.
Ay, Diyos ko, day. Papi.
Power will still fall.
In electric by
Electric
by. Electric ba yan?
Ang ina, GG na ba to?
Hindi pa, hindi pa.
Subong nakaka-heartbreak naman tong ganito. Hindi ko na ma-abuse yung heartbreak sa game 3.
I'm sorry.
Kaya nga.
Me.
Diyan paabuti mo ng 8 hours para abuse na abuse.
Kaya nga eh.
Mas malaki ba yan, Gab, pag ganun?
Gab, ikaw manlilibre, Gab, di ba?
Bakit?
Matik.
Qualify ka.
Panalo eh.
Uy,
Kaya nga.
qualify,
Last
libre.
fight sa Roshan ha. Last
Ano
fight
masaya sa
Roshan.
pagiging qualify? Ang masaya, manalo ka ng...
Ano naman, may space na naman.
Manalo ka sa Okada siguro.
Corona ready. Smoke out on both sides.
Ano to,
Who's
tol ha?
going up front?
Big team fight to, tol. Ito na yung magdidikta ng game pag ano. So si Kuko, ginagawa ni Kuko, nagbe-bait siya. Tapos magba-buyback siya, magpapadum siya.
Purple nga, mag-purple kasi siya kamo. Ano ba naman?
Kuko mag-purple ka daw, sabi ni Gabi.
Oh, they've got the flank on the left. Jing spots him out.
Yung tinelipati mo?
Oo,
Nice one.
makikinig yan.
Hiding in the tree line. Courier's getting sniped. Interesting angles. Scouting forward to the vortex, but
Di
still
kayang
looking for that opening.
di ata kayang i-commit ng ano, ng talon yung Roshan. Ayun o,
Oo, isang round na lang yan, be.
Sinasabi na ni Abat oh, magtatap sila.
Scan.
Patap tayo,
Nice goal.
patap tayo.
Nice goal, bat.
Kinala ni
Tangina
Abat
ka
ayun
pala
oh,
ka.
piniping niya na ng piniping oh.
Oh, dun tayo sa
Bago
north.
nagkakatipihan na, pero nandun
Oo,
na!
patay, magkakasabay.
Nandun
Oh,
na!
they spotted.
Patay, nauna.
Nauna.
Tangina mo,
Yo,
nauna.
O si
Tagal, hindi
Ibla.
kasi naniwala
Throw
agad.
Oh!
O sige,
Bushwhack
ano
does
naman?
not connect.
Yo,
with
we show!
the
Ten, 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 ten,
Yowie
ten,
trying to
ten,
go
ten.
away. Lincoln's does pop, blink
Oh,
forward.
Ano nang
Not gonna go
playo?
there.
Ay!
Does get juked, but has the ult.
Oh!
Still has to blink
Oh!
again. This puck is
Nice.
slippery.
Takbo lang, we.
Tangina, takbo lang,
Silent
we.
for time is paying off.
Nice one.
Nice
Fifth
one,
rush is
we.
open.
Nice one, nice one, nice one, nice
Ang ina
one.
ginagawa na ni Yowie best niya.
Ito na yun, guys.
And
Puro
Yes.
kayo pambabash kasi.
Oh,
Inang
yung
ina
ibang
nyo.
tao dyan, tangina nyo mga
Here goes
Pinoy.
the rush. They've got the
Mga
smoke.
utak talang ka,
coming.
putang ina nyo po kayo hate.
By lights?
Bylights.
Smoke coming on Darling, trying to rush out. Contest
Yung
the
gusto ko
Roche.
kay
Aegis
Yowie ko.
cheese.
Ah,
So
then
ano
that's
to,
what it
ang
comes to
tawag
Ken,
dito?
though.
Bigay lang. Tapos,
Bigay na yan, wala na. No
dasal na lang
choice.
mamaya. Sige, sige,
Oo.
sige, sige.
Burst na lang nila yung kung kado mamaya. Kaya
Oo.
nila yung LS, palipad na lang.
Sana nga matouch nila itong Doom. Feel ko pag nag-go nila yung Doom, sobrang big eh.
Ah. Ito din big.
Ayan.
Eh, hirap kasi. Sige, it's either kung kadom, kaya yan.
Oo. Mag-all-in na sila ng isang hero, burst lang muna. Wala namang
Oo.
save na iba eh.
Si Yowie na bahala sa dalawang support.
Yun, nice one, we.
Maganda na lang kaya si Yowie, yung Parasma.
Pakta rin? Ah, pakasma. Pwede
Patay
naman.
niya rin yung supports.
Kahit ano, basta ano, kung ano mag-work, bilhin mo lang, we.
Oh, sige, sige.
Uy, nahuli si nakita si boss ko. Oh.
Boss ko, okay lang sa boss ko.
Okay lang, boss ko. Boss ko. Ang hirap na mag-bro sa larong yan, tol.
Hindi ka kasi
Parang-
pwede tumapang eh, no?
Parang gagawin mo na lang dyan, tigalipad.
Lagi ka mamamatay kada go nila. Ayan na, magkakatalo na na ha. Maganda yung words ni Jing, I like the words.
I like the obs.
Okay, tatouch nila sa boss ko. Okay, patience lang, patience from so.
Hindi nagaganyan nila sa Lina.
Kaya nga eh.
Paano yan?
Paano na kaya? Di sinasadya.
Hindi din pwede kasi man-touch si Abat. Pag
Oo.
nan-touch si Abat, baka magkamali siya. GG.
Kung ano, gaganyan nila
Steady
sila,
siya.
tol. Paano yan? Nakakainis.
Okay lang, okay lang. Huwag kang magbigay ng negative reinforcement.
Okay,
Oh,
sorry.
tayo naman, reinforcement.
Anis.
Naman yung Jabugi, nahahawa ako sa'yo. Trauma ko to sa'yo.
Uy, ano yun? Best friend ni Jan ngayon yun si Mike.
Sorry.
Ano?
Eh, si
Mike with Phoenix or
Si
Mike,
Ninja Boogie.
Ninja Boogie.
Ninja Boogie? Friends, yeah. Friend. I'm friends with everyone. What do you mean? I have no beef.
Plastic din yan, plastic.
Hindi
Plastic
naman,
nga si
hindi
Jan.
naman ganyan. Grabe naman.
Yan.
Grabe naman.
Oh!
Uy, like,
Go,
okay.
Chrono tapag BKB ah.
Glass on top. Wait, how did Shuan move?
wait,
Nightmare
wait.
allowed him to move?
BKB Nightmare, you can move in Chrono guys.
BKB Nightmare, yeah.
Okay, that's some stuff. Combo's gone. BKB's fade.
Oh shit, no more Chrono.
Sila kuko,
Now
paano
what
yun?
to do?
Pero
Paano
pwede
na-
yun yung Nightmare tas BKB ka. Di ba
Pwede
pwede
pala
yun?
yung Diyos ko, Day.
That is crazy. Okay, slow siege begins. No
Di rin
chrono.
tumama yung blast tol.
Oh.
Eh, kung ka, no?
Oo.
Wala.
Wala na sila pampatay. Paano yan?
Paano ngayon to?
Age is still up for 2
Wala bang
minutes.
ginagamit
They
na
are
skill
holding
yung
back.
talon, ha?
Laki na din.
Ulti lang. Ni ano.
Di ba mawawalan ng net yung mga yan?
Kaya nga eh.
Si Jan na
Saan ba
bahala.
yan? Sa Las
Paranaque
Piñas
yan.
Padidas
Paranaque.
na muna.
Parang
Mga
yari.
Paranaque dyan, PLDT, Converge, tanggalan nyo yan.
DQ na lang ata yung pag-asa dito. DQ muna yung game 2. Forfeit yung game 2, kaya pa. Putang na, wala na ako nakikitang way. Pwede din pala yung ganun, itutulog mo lang. Ay, Diyos ko, Day, Inday.
It's an interaction. It's a weird one. Still a minute 40 on Aegis for Talon onto the high ground. The Darling. The
Teka,
high ground hold's
isang
still
jeep
there.
lang.
Proto in a minute at least.
Si Pilot siya daw bahala sa internet nila.
Sige na, tanggalin mo na habang may oras pa.
Isang jeep lang daw yung Paranaque sa kanila.
Ano pala eh, sige na, boss. Pasukin mo na
Sige
yan.
na. Pasukin na yung village niyan. Teka, alam ko yung address.
Fine. Rage?
Gagawin
It's
na
not
sila
rage,
niya,
but
okay?
again.
Patay na muna,
Aegis
okay?
still
Yan,
there.
yan.
At least na-touch na.
Nice,
20 seconds yung BKB ni ano.
Oh no.
Mabasag pa yung second rocks, wala silang pumigil. Meron. Nice one, okay na yan. At least nabasagan kayo ng isa lang. Naka-range.
They're
Gusto
holding on.
nila mag-turn around. Gusto nila mag-turn around.
Turn
Magbabobo siya
around.
bat na.
Ay, nag-ags!
Oh no.
Oh,
Nag-
okay.
Jump
Jump forward from WS.
Panalo na yan, nag-ags yung
Trying
Doom.
to get a bot.
Namamatay
We'll find
kasi
a
abot
bot.
eh. Uy, patay,
Ah,
boy, boy!
Ang ina, nag-ags nga yung Doom.
Nag-ags Doom,
Keeping everyone
tanga-tanga,
pinned
dito
down.
yung
A bot in the
player.
middle. Still alive for now. We'll
Ah.
get flipped by the Doom. A bot looking for the Chrono.
Bobo.
They're not gonna be able to find it. Buyback onto Abing. Maybe they can find
patay niyo na yung
WS here.
Wala,
Don't mention
wala
na
Wales.
mamatay,
Gone.
Gab.
Flash cleaning up in the side.
Ano
Gone with no buyback.
Wala nang
Down.
Ang lalim na ng Doom dun ah. Wala nakapatay doon.
Down. Fresh BKB being picked up by Chuen for Akashi.
Nag-ags
It's
na
a
eh.
secondary save here. No, doesn't get picked
Sobrang
up.
lalim niya na. Wala pa ding nakapanish, gago.
Kaya nga, buti nga nag-ags kami yung Kureper yan. Tapos na yung laro siguro.
Oh,
Oh, wait, what?
Dreamfall
Oh,
in the back, but
pwede
instant
pala yun.
dodge by Akashi. Chrono ready, not gonna be able to come in.
The fuck?
Ganun pala yung cast range nun?
Ah,
Layo?
pag naka-ags.
It is big.
Pero hindi ko
It
alam
is
na
really
kayang ganun yung...
Ah.
Leash.
Oo.
Yeah.
Oh,
Leash has to stop him.
Damn.
Catch WS,
Okay.
Chrono out. This is a kill.
Sukat
oh,
na
ano,
sukat.
walang AA blast?
Hello,
Fine.
team
Ay,
mo!
no,
Whoa,
ano ba?
the Nightmare
Bakit hindi
BKB
na
again!
blast?
WS is just gonna TP away.
Ah.
Go ahead and back down.
Blast,
Point
patayin
with
mo
the
na lang,
forward.
uy! Ano ba?
Nothing.
Patay yung Bane, patay yung Bane, patay yung Bane.
They will find Ponyo. Jinx still set to go though. He's
Ah.
being saved by the stuns. Chuen not gonna be able to clean up, but they will find Abeng.
Uy, patay yung mga dalawang support ha.
Si Yowie, kumakan
They'll
na si
find
Yowie, kumakan
Chokam
na si
as
Yowie.
well.
Nice. Kaya pa ni Yowie,
Chuen
kaya
in
pa
the
ni
middle of
Yowie.
everything. Akashi coming out, trying to clean up. Has
Oh!
damage, still has the BKB. Abat does manage to jump away. Kuku coming in.
Nakakait nila, nakakait nila.
A little
Yowie,
bit
kumakan
messy.
na si Yowie.
Oh no!
Oh, they get the Doom again. WS comes in with the Doom. Yultz to try to save for time, but Yoe is still
Hindi
stuck in
sana
the middle.
mamamatay si
They'll
Yowie
get
doon
cleaned
kung
up,
walang
no
Doom, oh.
buybacks. Abat in the middle, fighting
In the
for his life.
middle.
Is going to go
Okay.
down. Buzz with a buyback as well. The Talon are cleaning up.
Bakit hindi mo
Kuku
kasi
with a split.
i-ice blast yun? Ano bang,
Try
sino
to
ba
find
gusto mo
Chuen.
i-ice blast?
Tabong pamor!
Get,
Tangina naman
maybe
talaga.
get Chuen. They've got the damage. Push him away from the boat. Rum buff still does kick in.
No
Chuen alive for now.
damage.
They have the infest back as well.
GG na.
Kuku.
Katamo. Ano ba, bakit
False
ba
as
kasi
well.
hindi pwedeng i-ice blast yun? Nag-aantay ng next kill ang puta.
Balik ko nga. Gusto ko makita.
Kantado naman yun, nanonood lang siya, inaantay niyang magkaroon ng next kill, tapos doon niya gagamitin, ganun yung nasa isip niya. Ano lang
Kakapit
yan?
mo.
Gago, kung hindi namatay si Yowie doon, uubusin nila yun, mamamatay si Kunkka, baka si Lifestealer, hindi.
Ay, hindi siya nakatingin! Ay!
Hindi, kinukul niya ba't yun eh.
Oo, pwede ring i-ice blast na.
Nire-reserve niya talaga.
Nagre-reserve niya talaga, gusto niyang sa next
Ibak
kill.
mo nga, Jao. Nawala
Abak
din
mo.
bigla si Yowie eh.
Pinapatay niya yung Bintol.
Ah,
Ayan, big cam natin.
Not playing Pope. Doesn't have a BK
Ayan.
Pope.
Ayun.
Does manage to manta off. Lacerarax being held.
Si Yowie
Nice
naman.
little dream coil coming out from Yoa, trying to find something. Doom still on cooldown for a few more
Ito,
seconds,
nakay
opening
Bane.
onto WS. If they can
Buhay pa
find
din
him,
yung ulit.
the Jing is gonna fall.
GG na.
No
Go back
buybacks
mo,
once more. Abeng gone again. Yoa
Nice
held
try
in
na lang
the
talaga.
middle.
Back mo
Rack
pa?
will fall.
oh, sineta
Chrono.
pa niya yun.
It's one last play they can do. Nightmare holding back. Avat. Mega creeps are
And-
up. Need a big Chrono here. Chrono out onto Akachi, stuck in the middle. They might be able to find this one at the very least.
Wala
And
na
they
guys,
will.
tapos na yung live. Bayaan nyo
Akachi
na
down
yun.
with no buyback, but yeah.
Ano
Then
go,
creeps
Jao?
up Chuen. Maybe gets cleaned up here.
Wala na.
We'll be able to punish.
Nice comeback. Patay si Akashi.
Puta, kala ko! Tapos na yung live! Ay, hindi. Tapos na nga to. Na-mega na.
Hindi pa
Sorry
yan.
guys! Na-mega na pala.
Ayun, nanghihina ako.
Yan ang
Ano ba?
greatest comeback. Greatest comeback. Gagawa sila ng record.
No, so, big opportunity na yung ano, gago, yung fight na yun, tol. Imagine mo na lang kung hindi na doom sa Yowie doon, ubos yung apat. Kahit si Lifestealer, hindi mamatay.
GG na, tol.
Yeah, it's
Pag
a hard
ganyan
one.
nangyari. Nakakaiyak naman. Ay,
It's a
nako.
hard one for Darling.
Umuwi naman yun, bakad.
Nakakaumay nga, nakakaumay.
Isa pang nakakaumay,
Tayo
Gab.
dito.
Kulang yung nakakaumay mo.
Lab ko, inom kami dito, lab. Ay, sa Okada ba?
Papuntayin nyo nga sa
Ano
Okada
tayo?
yan, oy. Sige na, Kakin, payagan mo na. Saras na yung mga tao dito.
Kaya nga. Ano ba yan?
Tangin. Gago I-replay
Lab,
ko talaga, tol.
nakaka-stress
Sakit
to, Lab.
talaga.
Yan.
Ang sakit
Second
talaga ng
rush.
pangyayaring, tol. Yun, tol.
Wala ko i-comfort si Kuko nito. Tangina naman.
Ayun o, eto hindi na nila napatay. Ano na, okay lang, iyahan mo na. Wala na tayong magagawa. Yung
Sige na mo na, Mel. I-go live mo
Sakit
na.
kasi.
Pupunta
Nasaktan
tayo.
ako eh.
Di pa tapos yung laban. Huwag ka mag-spread ng negativity.
Let's see.
Ang ganda na ng pag-go ni Yowie oh.
Tong ina, galing nga ni Jan, no? Hindi
Oo.
talaga siya bias na caster, no?
Yeah.
Kung ako siguro
Oo.
caster, wala. Napagtatrust
Ano,
ko.
hindi na lang kasi inulti yan. Walang buyback. Tapos wala, di na makakagamit ng Doom.
Napaka-professional mo dyan.
Thank you. Ganyan man dapat. You know, when you cast, you're just watching. No
Hindi kasi
dog in the
namin
race.
kaya yan, eh.
Siyempre may ano eh, may kaibigan, may history. So, you know, you guys have history with teams. I have to keep it neutral. Even when I cover Talon, you know, people love to meme na, "Uy, John biased Talon cast." It's like, nah, I keep it neutral. I try to. Yeah,
Nice one,
it's a
Jan.
game. Both teams went far, right? Like you have to respect both opponents, both teams to get this far, to fight for so much. Both efforts deserve to be looked at from both ends. So that's just my perspective. Yan lang.
Galing mo dyan.
Comment natin to si Jan.
Oo nga. Dyan
Right,
expire.
John? Yes, sir.
Sinabi lang ko alam.
Wala lang.
Roshan set to go. Let's see. Aegis. Ags could be big for perhaps Ponyo. Just hang there. Yeah, Ponyo now has Ags. This is scary.
Mel,
Grip is
Yo,
gonna be extra
may
annoying.
may play-by-play na tayo sa mga tournament. Tayo na lang yung analysis, no?
Ayun.
Ako sa
Pasok
soundtrack.
na lagi ito dyan ha.
Ako sa 10.
Oh, yan. May soundtrack na din tayo.
Oh, actually, like
Ito na
honestly, sitting here with you guys, with you, Gabby, Jao, Armel, there's so much insight here. Like there's a lot. Like even though you know it's filled with passion, there's a lot that you guys see. So it's really good for the viewers as well.
Yeah.
It's a great experience.
Nice
Pasok,
one.
pasok dyan ha.
Gagawa na tayo ng headquarters, tatalunan natin si Kuya Nico.
Gago ka talaga, sabi
Ayun din pala si Pilage din pala, oh.
Nakukumpleto na yung mga Dragon Balls.
Kuya Nico, baka
Dami
na.
ng opportunity.
Eto na yun, Mel.
Gab, ano pangalan, Gab?
Ano ba, hindi ko pa din alam eh.
Mel, gawa na lang tayo mga Kuya Nick style na ano, kumpanya. May Jan, may Pilage. May Jan tsaka Pilage siya tayo, oh.
Wala po. May mga mahayang na palang caster, gago.
Oo.
Kaya ngayon nakabahan na kayo, Kuya Nick.
Ito na yun. Binigyan tayo ng idea.
Yep. Let's see here. Look who has split. They've got the chrono. We've got some play.
Isip ka na ng pangalan, Gab.
Wala, John.
Baka magalit si Kuya Nick.
Akashi just going for the end. He's done. He's tired.
He's done, he's tired.
Of course. I think they want to eat as well, you know. Everyone gets hungry.
Darling
Game
Production Incorporation. Ayun pala.
Sobrang hirap na i-comeback niyan.
Ang hirap na
Yung
nito.
stake.
Pag mega talaga to, nakakapanghina eh.
Yeah.
May pressure kasi about, big deal to. Coming. Okay lang,
That is
commit.
big. Buyback can cool down for a minute anywhere.
Hindi pa lang
Ang ina,
pa-comeback yung heroes nila. Tol.
Ako yung binabangungo dun sa ano, hindi pag-ayos blast ni Abing. So, big turnaround talaga eh.
Yun lang, tinataniman mo na may mga tao sa mamaya sisihin na naman si Abing parang yung Huskar ni Yowie nung game 2.
I think it's fair to
naman
like.
talaga eh.
Eh madami naman
it's
sila
fair to-
mali eh.
Hindi, pero
Yeah,
kasi
it's fair
kailangan
to
mo,
think of.
kailangan mo pa
It's
din i-consider yung mga big ano, yung mga big moments. Kasi kung nanalo
True.
talaga sila doon, comeback na, napatay nila yung tatlo eh. Tapos yung Doom lang yung nakabalik, 'di ba? Tapos napatay niya yung Void tsaka yung Pac.
Making
Eh,
mistakes.
syempre
sobrang
pero
big
hindi
deal,
rin
no?
yun yung reason na ba't sila natalo sa series na to.
Hindi yun yung reason, pero isa yun sa mga reason ba't di sila naka-comeback. Eh wala
Eh,
na,
kaya
hindi
nga
na
eh.
natalo sila sa lane eh.
Tangin mo pa yun eh, ano ba gusto mo?
Kaya nga. Wala na, putang na, na-stress yung mga tao dito, kuko kasi.
I think it's fair to think of like when in a moment like that, like yes, it looks bad for us,
Yeah.
GG end, but I think it's also like in the moment, right? You guys as players also experience that where you have games like this where it feels like any decision you make is gonna be bad. Like yes, okay, mag-ice blast ako, walang ice blast follow-up fight. There's this life stealer we don't know where he is, right? Like it's a set of decisions, and it's easy for us to see, especially for me as a caster. But I also try to consider as a player, they don't have God vision. They don't know what's going to happen. They don't know where the enemy team is. So it's like Abeng made that choice, and for us it looks wrong. But there's also like a reason. There's a flow for why that wrong decision came out. But like what you said, Arbel, right? Like the way Secret looks at it, it's a bunch of decisions that leads you to that point. And it's about like understanding what the mindset is and how to correct that mindset.
Tangin ako talaga, ang galing mo. Ikaw kasi Mel, puro ka lasisi dyan.
No, I'm not saying Armel's wrong. It's just like
Just
never-
ano, gago.
Hindi naalala ko kasi yung chrono ko sa 5 kong kampi. Wala ko kasi may black hole, wala pala. Oh.
So, kinukuha mo na lang yung kampe mo.
Oo! Nag-black hole ako na lang eh. Mag-highlight yung mga black hole, ako na lang. Galing mo dyan.
Nice
Ang
one
unaw
dyan.
ko. Ikaw talaga kukunin sa unang company.
I have to find a way to explain why certain things happen, okay? And honestly, the only reason I have this mindset is because I cast China for so long. I have to find a way to think this way. Trust me, you cast tier 2 China, your brain just dies inside. Holy. No offense to them, but there's some weird stuff there. There's some
Dito
weird
pa
stuff
mo,
there. Bro.
China.
Oh yeah, dude. It's so, yeah.
Gago
Holy.
ka, Gab.
Alright,
Mexico,
last
okay.
hurrah.
Oh no!
Oh, we do the
Oh no!
He's gone up! Could it use the Could this be the end, darling? It's gone so far! So far!
Hindi mo
It's
na
gonna clean up
nagamit
in
yung
Talon! They
Grabe
call
nga.
it GG on Darling!
Pressure.
Grabe nga, may soundtrack tayo, may analysis, may caster.
Sabi sa'yo ako bahala sa
Sorry!
soundtrack.
Si Jan, nagpe-play by play, si Armel, nag-ano, side comment. Si Gabi, oh no! Oh no!
Easy daw, gogo. Ano mo, Chakno?
Ano sana sabi nun?
Right.
GGC!
So-
Lu!
Gob.
Ang ina ka,
Tayo.
Chak, nung kapangit-pangit mo, Kashi, easy,
I
wanna
want to tie it
Kashi.
up
Ino.
because I'm gonna catch an interview with Talon to get their words as well.
Oh,
But I
yeah,
want to tie
yeah.
up here. What do you guys feel like that you wanted to see from Darling that didn't come out? Like, what do you think was the missing sauce here? Because we know the score looks bad. We know Darling can fight Talon. What was missing?
I mean, siyempre, nag-start yun sa laning phase. Natalo sila, which is given na. Tapos kailangan na lang talagang i-clutch yung mga ibang fights. Ayun lang, para sa akin.
Para sa kanya yun.
Oo.
Ako feel ko yung ano nila siguro, kasi yung unang series, mga unang games ng Darling, magaganda yung draft nila eh. Pero feel ko sa series na to, parang 2 games sila, parang sobrang
Draft
hirap
din.
laruin. Parang sobrang hirap laruin ng draft nila kumpara sa Talon.
O, para sa kanya yun.
Oo.
Yung sa...
So,
Yung...
masasabi ko, out-draft sila 2 games.
Yun nga. Tsaka di nila malaro yung sariling game nila. Yung kamukha ng dating Darling or yung first series nila na lagi may kalaro si Yowie. Mas madali i-Dota. Tulad na ito, may Q1 plus 2 support.
That's fair.
Tama
That's
ka.
fair.
Ay.
Hopefully,
Interview mo
round,
ba yung
learning
Talon, Jan?
yeah, I'll be jumping out. I think I got
Papasukin mo nga
highlight
dito
eye.
papasukin mo nga yan dito
Sabi nila kaya
Firelight,
Kashi, ang
yan.
pangit niya.
No, no,
Ayakin.
I have pie. I have pie.
Sabi mo, pag
That's
nakita ko
fine.
yung si Akashi, papangang ko yan, ha?
But I want to thank you guys. Thank you,
Congrats,
Gabby.
Talon.
Thank you,
Congrats,
May
Armel.
Talon.
regalo
you,
kamao
Joe, for
kaya
having me
Kashi,
here.
yung kanang kamao ko.
Sa akin yung kaliwa.
Thanks for having me, guys. Thank you for
Bye, Jan.
Ano mo to,
letting me
Akashi,
join
oh.
in
Tangina mo,
Smash.
easy ka pa dyan, ha?
Bye-bye dyan.
GG to Darling. Well played. Congrats sa inyo, Gabi. Looking forward to seeing you guys sa Elite League. Hopefully you guys do well. And thank you. I'll catch you guys again next time. I'll be
Thank you.
jumping to an interview with Talon. Thank you, guys.
Thank you,
Salamat,
Jan. Thank you,
salamat,
Jan.
salamat. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you
thank you.
parang Jan.
Ay.
Kukuinis naman yun.
Ngayon, ano
Tama
ng
na.
plano?
Gatol na nakita ko talaga yung laro nung talo nung first series nila, nakakatakot din talaga. Iba yung gising nila ngayon kaysa dun sa nakakaang ano nila, laro nila.
Okay.
Ay, ay, ay.